going on, guys? Sensei Ninja here. I'm gonna go ahead and go over kicking. We got 3 kicks and we'll do the delivery system. We got 3 delivery systems that'll work for 3 different kicks. So we're gonna go over first the kicks first, then I'll go over the delivery system, or I may go either way. So before I do all that, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not. If you like it, helps circulate. Obviously trying to get monetized. So we're gonna go over kick delivery systems, okay? So first we'll do the delivery system first. All right, so the kicking, I'm gonna have to make sure when I go on one foot, I still maintain balance while I'm fighting, right? So I'm gonna do something called a replacement step first. The replacement step is when you bring your foot in, bring the leg up, and obviously you're gonna throw a kick. Or if I wanna throw a kick, I can do that with the replacement step, or replace basically my center of gravity, and then I can go up and throw the kick. So it's boom or boom. Right, that's the replacement step. Now, next one we have is called an angle step. So we're stepping an angle. So we're gonna step at a 45-degree angle, and then we can deliver the kick. Step at a 45-degree angle, then we can deliver the kick, yeah? So it works like that with either one. Last one is what we're gonna call a switchback. So if I throw a switchback, I can throw the kick as well. I throw a switchback, I can throw the kick as well. So that's the 3 delivery systems. Now we're gonna go over the 3 kicks, because we usually do something within here. It's called 400 from 4. That's the concept that there's only a few moves, like there's only 3 colors, the red, yellow, and blue, and then every other color comes from that. It's the same when it comes to martial arts. There's only 3 techniques, right? There's only 3 kicks, there's only 3 punches, there's only 3 submissions. So there's only really a few submissions, and everything else is variation. That helps you navigate this whole crazy martial art world. So I'm gonna go over the kicks, okay? Bob's gonna assist me, and I'll go over the kicks with Bob. First, we're gonna go over a hook kick, very, very simple kick. We'll just use replacement steps for all these. So when I go into a hook kick, I'll do it on here first. So we're here in our fighting stance. With the hook kick, I'll bring my foot in, I'll bring the knee up, my knee points whatever I'm kicking, and that's just a flicker of the hips. So this is what it looks like on Bob. Bring the knee in, legs up, boom. And right back to our stance. Do it one more time, knee up, boom. Right back to our style, right? So this same replacement step works the same way with the side kick. So if I'm gonna do the side kick, replace, I'm almost turning, so I'll come here, stick up this leg, throw the kick, bring it back down. Back in our stance. And do a regular speed. Boom. It's the same with the replacement step. That replaces my step, right? Yeah, or anybody watching, any of my fights is one of my favorite kicks. I deliver it very, very fast because of the fact that I'm replacing my step. And then the last kick we're gonna do is the front kick. There's a couple ways we can do it. We can do the front kick where we're flicking up, or we can do a teeps where we're pushing the kick. So there's a front kick, boom, right? If I do a replacement step, kick it off the back leg, right? Bring the leg in. Those are the 3 kicks and the 3 delivery systems to the kicks. Kick is a skill. Make sure you're doing a whole bunch of good stretches, like these stretches to the side that really, really help your legs. These kind of help improve your kicking ability. So different drills, and I'll do a video on that later. Different drills you can do to increase your kicking ability. So yeah, tell me what you think. Go ahead and comment down below. Are you a kicker? Can you kick? Do you have a kicking background? Is it from Taekwondo, Capoeira, Wushu? Where's your kicking background? Karate? Go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video so we can circulate it. Shalom.